What is going on, guys? We just shot up to Yanchep. Somebody posted on the community page that there was a snake in a tree around here. Our biggest concern is that somebody's going to come down, take them as a pet, or maybe somebody doesn't like the idea of having a snake around here. Are you going to get him? No. Hello, buddy. Oh, you're a lot smaller when we get up here, eh? Come on. Nah, not my face. Not my face. I definitely don't want to face one. Yeah, you're alright. We're just going to move into one of those bigger trees. You haven't got very much, you haven't got a lot of shade up here. Yeah, I know.
Yay!
Yeah, whoop. Here we go. So yeah, he's a decent length. So we're going to go put him in one of those trees down there. I know, what a big day. So we're not going to release this guy very far. We found him in that tree. Oh, I better not forget my ladder. Found him in that tree. We're just going to put him in one of these random trees down here. So it's got a little bit more coverage, so he's a little bit more protected. And obviously he can't be spotted by the road. Beautiful carpet python, super duper common, whoa, around here. And we've released a ton of them up here, but I don't think I've had the joys of having this guy before. All right, we found him a tree. And even if people know where he is, he's gonna be super, oh look, he's so keen to get into the tree. Let's put him on this one here. You got this one? There you go, dude. He's good. Hey, I know. You're a very beautiful boy.
Is he hissing for yay? Or is he hissing for finally?
They're so cool to watch climb. We need to get around the other side here. Oh, look at him. He's getting so high already. Look at him climb here. Oh, let's stick our head in here.
Looks beautiful.
They wrap themselves around the tree and then they make like S's all the way up, grip onto the tree and push themselves up. So, and then obviously all these little sticks and stuff help. So that is awesome. Super duper healthy. Definitely a local carpet python. I just got to watch where I'm putting my feet because I have not got shoes on. But yeah, fantastic. Let's let this little dude go, and hopefully later on he can come out here, bask, and later on he'll come back down and go hunting for all the things that he wants to eat around here. So let's say bye, dude. Stay safe, stay away from people, don't talk to strangers. These guys are everywhere around here. I love that people are concerned that it is somebody's pet, or that if it is wild, they want somebody to come and check on him. But they definitely don't need relocating if you do see them. Obviously, he wasn't in an ideal spot where he was, so moving him not very far is definitely not going to do any damage to him. This is definitely where he's come from. We've released a couple of smaller ones in these trees over here and some over there. If he is a repeat offender, and we have caught him before, he's a very healthy version of some of the other ones that I've caught. He's probably one of the bigger ones that I've caught in this area. Definitely not the biggest wild one that I've caught, but yeah, you can just see him just up there. Super duper cute, super duper awesome. Very happy that we found him safe, and somebody with wrong intentions, or even somebody uneducated, or possibly he went on the road and got hit by a car. We'll just move him back here, and hopefully that'll buy him some time away from the riffraff of the enclosing housing. So we're gonna leave this dude to it. Take it easy, stay awesome, and remember, you can't fail if you try. See you later.